Hey y'all! So in this video I'll be demonstrating two different ways to approach a sew-in. Do not judge the way that I braid, okay? I've been braiding like this since I was a little girl, so don't judge. But anyway, as I braid my clients here, sometimes I'll go ahead and proceed with the hair growth oil, or I do it after I've completely finished the braid pattern. And although sew-ins have been around for a very, very long time, there are still some people that just don't understand how to perform a basic sew-in. So being that I've been getting asked, and this is a highly requested video, I have clips of me performing a sew-in with and without a net sheet. Net sheets are very good for people with short hair, or people with soft hair, or people suffering from hair loss. Net sheets are very, very good because they create a barrier between the real hair, the natural hair, and the actual weave, and people are still able to shampoo their hair, oil their hair. If you're suffering from hair loss or don't like a lot of tension on your natural hair, the net sheet is the way to go, and they are stretchable. Figuring out how to use the net sheet can be a little intimidating because it's shaped like a square, but it doesn't have to be, because all you're doing is simply getting it as flat as possible and shaping it to your client's head and sewing on to the perimeter braids, which are only the outside braids, and the rest of the sewing is done on top of the net sheet. That's what makes it so awesome. In the next clip, you'll also see me using the capless method for a lace closure sew-in. Some people prefer that method still to this day, so it's very beneficial to learn both ways. And starting out without a cap can be quicker for most people, but just watch closely as I do my braid pattern. This braid pattern is the most used one for me. It varies by install, of course, but this is my basic braid pattern that I prefer to achieve most of my sew-ins, especially when it comes to frontals and closures. Don't mind the way that I braid. I do braid weird. Don't clock that too much. I've been like this all my life, okay? But anyway, stay tuned. I hope this video is very helpful and beneficial to you all that are just starting out with doing sew-ins. Stay tuned for the next video that will be all about braid patterns, my choice of braid patterns, the braid patterns that work for me for almost every hair texture or hair condition. So be on the lookout for that. All the products that I'm using to perform this particular sew-in and the next sew-in will be listed in the description. And also do not forget to hit that notification bell, like and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you all next time. If you're interested in seeing how I actually stitch, thread the needle, and all that good stuff, there will also be a video linked in the description.